What's up, Porsche fanatics? Will here with Rennthusiast. Appreciate you checking out this video. I thought I would throw by you a kind of a quick update about what I'm working on and what types of videos I'll be publishing here shortly. I also wanted to run a quick test, not to bore you with all the details here, but I'm shooting straight from my phone and I'm gonna see if I can upload directly to YouTube. So pardon the raw and real nature of this video, but you know, that's just what kind of goes into testing things for your channel. So on to the content I'll be covering. So I will be introducing this 2007 Porsche 911 Turbo behind me here in the next week or so. I picked this car up like 5 months ago, and I'm not really sure why I haven't made time to you know, put up a video on the car, but I just haven't. I've had several buddies reaching out to me, kind of bothering me about putting this car on the channel, and so I am ready to pull the trigger on that. So keep your eyes peeled for that if you are into 997.1 turbos, specifically in 6-speed manual. Another video that I'll be working on is a custom exhaust review on my 86 Porsche 911. So that car, very clean example. When I bought it, it came with stock exhaust on it, and the previous owner had a custom exhaust made for it. He put the exhaust on the car, took it back off, and when he sold it to me, it had the stock exhaust on. So I went ahead and had that exhaust put on the car, and you know, I will be happy to share with you kind of what it sounds like and what my thoughts are on it. I will go ahead and share with you that I lost the heat. So with that exhaust comes no heat exchangers, and so the car now has no heat right before the winter. So perhaps I've chosen poorly in terms of the time of year I put that on there. But anyway, we can get into that later. Something else I've been working on is I've started to put poll questions out on my community tab on my YouTube channel. And so if you don't know what that is, it's basically almost like a news feed where I can publish pictures or, you know, kind of behind the scenes information about the channel, and it comes up in your YouTube kind of browser features. So anyway, was able to put some poll questions out there, and I have been pretty surprised at the number of votes I'm getting, number of responses I'm getting. So, you know, I asked a couple things like, you know, would you rather own a garage queen or a driver quality 911, and got a ton of votes on that one. Or, you know, thinking about buying a used 911, would you rather buy from a dealer or a private party? And so, you know, I'm pretty excited about what I have learned there. I'm pretty excited about the potential, but I share all that with you just to say that I'm going to be doing some videos on those findings, perhaps just sharing that with you, kind of giving my interpretation of what folks are telling me about how they think about these cars. So something else that's been on my mind is kind of the mental challenges that go into you know, building a YouTube channel. So right now, as I'm talking to you, I'm getting close to 4,000 subscribers. It's been a long road, fits and starts. You know, I was getting a lot of momentum with the channel right before the pandemic. I had a couple videos that did quite well, one of which did like, I think 36,000 views, which was big for me. Of course, then I lost momentum, and I have effectively had to start over since, call it maybe a month and a half or 2 months ago, which is fine. But anyway, you know, just kind of trudging along here, and you know, I'm going to keep putting out content for you guys, but I just want to share with you, sometimes it's a little bit of a challenge to come up with the next topic and kind of face all the work that goes into this, only to have a video not do so well. So you know, along those lines, if you have any ideas for the channel or feedback from me, really truthfully, like constructive criticism, I'd love to hear that. You know, for me, this channel is about sharing my passion for the cars, creating a community around the channel. And, you know, on a certain level, it's been about my growth, and, you know, it's been immensely rewarding in that way. I remember when I first started the channel, I was horrified to put myself on video and put it out there. And I have been pleasantly surprised that, you know, there's been very little hate and, you know, a lot of support. And I think the most exciting thing that I have found about this channel is it's opened doors for me in terms of the type of people I've met and the events I've been able to go to and discover. So, you know, don't mean to ramble at you too much, just kind of wanted to jump on here. This video is part of my commitment to publish more regularly. I shared this in a video I did a couple days ago. I'm not you know, I follow a lot of YouTube creators who have made it and who give advice to people who are building channels. And a guy said, look, don't fall prey to perfectionism when you're building your channel, because that can get in your way. And so I know for me, I can tend to over edit or spend too much time trying to find the perfect B-roll. And so I think, what you'll see is, if you elect to stick around my channel, you're going to see, a continuation of that higher quality edited stuff. I hope it's gotten better, but I'm going to be throwing in kind of some more raw, real stuff about me with the cars and kind of what I'm going through as I build the channel. So, along those lines, if you're new around here and you haven't yet, become a subscriber, I'd like to invite you to join me on the journey. You can always unsubscribe if you want, so you may as well hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you're notified when I publish new content. So that's all I got for you today. Keep your eyes peeled. 2007 turbo content and 86 911 custom exhaust content coming soon, as well as interesting research into the world of Porsche. Thanks for watching.